Now we start another topic, electric power. Electric power. We know that power is equal to work upon time. In electricity, the work is equal to the amount of the heat produced, which is VIT, and the time taken T. So power in electric current is the product in between voltage and current. By Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So we can write formula P is equal to I square upon I square into R, or it can be written as P is equal to V square upon R. If we want to define the power, then we take V is equal to 1 volt, I is equal to 1 ampere. Then power is equal to 1 watt. Here watt is the unit of power. One watt power of 1 watt is obtained when 1 ampere of current flows through a conductor when potential difference of 1 volt is applied across it. The commercial unit of energy. Commercial unit of energy. Commercial unit of energy. Its unit is kilowatt hour, kWh, kilowatt hour, kilowatt hour. 1 kWh is equal to 1000 into 1 into 60 into 60 is equal to 3.6 into 10 की power 6 joule. The unit is 3.6 into 10 की power 6 joule. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 की power 6 joule. If you want to calculate the electric energy, then the formula is volt into ampere into time in 1 hour divided by 1000. If we want to calculate the household bill of electric bill, then energy consumed is equal to power used in 1 day into number of hour per day into number of days divided by 1000. Power use in one day in what? Number of hour per day into number of days in a month, or whatever we have given in a question. By this we can calculate the energy consumed in a month.